Today we'll talk about how can you disable hospitality notifications on your Champions League app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just come here to hospitality here. You just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean hospitality notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it. I wish now you are get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.